Okay, and main diameter and main depth this one. Okay, ply is mean that in this case ply means that through hole. Sorry, ply means that you keep dimension depth and depth. If you use ply over there, this one, right? If you use ply, this one, this means that they will ask you for the depth. If you use another type, you look at this one. Next, last, plane or whatever, same. Phi is similar to dimension, right? Okay. So you have 10 and 10. Okay. Let me put this one 20. Let me put this one to up to next. When you up to next, they don't ask you, right? They don't ask you. Okay, the depths, you see, in the red you have depth. Let's say if I put prime, they ask you dimension, right? Let's say I put 60. Okay, 60, 10 and 60. And also you can have V bottom, V shape bottom, angle. 120 is normal. Okay, this one. Okay, so you have this one. Let's say I put this. If you don't want to have V shape, V button here, you can use flat as well. Flat. You see, you can use flat as well. In this case, I use flat as well. Okay? Flat it means that you don't have V shape at the bottom. Okay? Okay. So if you look at this one, let's say if I want, okay, this one, okay, boom, you have hole, right? If I want to change this one to V shape, right? V shape, V button, okay, boom. Okay, now you have V button there, over there inside. Okay? And look at this one, you see, you see, I did not create any sketch, right? I just use command hole, right? This one, and select pay, right? I don't do any sketching, see? But they do have sketch here. They create sketch by their hole, right? What does it mean by this sketch? If I look inside this sketch, if I look inside this sketch, I will click this one. You see? They create you a point automatic. They create you a point automatic. Get a point. And use that point to do hole automatic. Because this is a circular, right? This is a circle boundary, right? This one. So they select the middle of the center of the curve. Okay? So if you move this one away, if I move this one away, I can move this one away. Look at this one, I move away. The hole will be moved to the other side, you see? If I move this thing back, let's say, somewhere, this one, see? Okay, now this one, see? So it's main thing, if you want to change the position, you just move this point back to this one. Yeah, this one, right? This one. Next, I want to do another type of this hole. Let me modify this hole. Look at this one. Boom. Now, this one we call blind hole. I mean simple hole. Simple hole. The second one is a taper hole. Taper is made left angle. Okay, if I want to change this one to be taper, right? How do this one? Look at this taper. You see, they ask you the angle. Default angle is what? 120. You see? No, this one 90. right? 90. In this one, 90. Okay? So you want to make, let's say, 20. I want to put it 20. Okay? Again and preview. See that's 20. You change to 10. 10. Okay? Is this one 10? Okay? Okay, let's say I'm okay. This one we have taper this one. Sometimes some connection we need some connector we need some taper as well. Okay, อันนี้เวลาสร้างยากกว่านะ If you don't produce this type of taper, oh, it's difficult. If you have some special drill, เป็นdrill ที่เป็นเสียงเข้มบุกนะทำยากเหมือนกันนะแต่ว่า there are special tools to produce this one. Okay? Let's say I can change another one. Let's say if instead of taper, okay. Now I do another one. I want to do, in this case, is counter ball. Counter ball. So you have this one as a main depth. The top one is a counter ball. See, look at this one here, counter ball, this one. Normally counter ball is a little bit bigger than the main ball, right? Okay, in this case you want to put 15, make it 15, right? And the depth of the counter ball, this one, 5. Right? You can change anyway. If you want to see the preview, I can do this one. This is look at this one. อันนี้เป็นแบบเหมาะสำหรับฝั่งเราว่า you want to make your ball inside under the surface, top surface. Okay, that is fine. You can make bigger if you want. Let's say I put 20 also possible. 20. Okay. You have bigger one. See? Okay. Let's see. Okay. You have this one. Okay. Another one you can have. Let's say you have counter ball. You have counter sum here as well. You want counter sum. Now in taper over there, in taper is not vertical, right? Taper in this case, you can put taper. Let's say put depth is 5, angle is 10. You can view this one. You have this one. Let's say I put counter depth 5, but I put this one. Let me put 60. Let me put 60. Okay, you have this one. Okay, you have this one. See? Okay, the rest is you can try by yourself. Counter ball, counter sum, this counter drill. Similar, you have combination of counter ball and counter sum. Combination of counter ball, counter sum, and called counter drill. I think it's a technical term. You have to understand to design some your work. How the ball, how the sum, how the drill, whatever. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, okay. See? You can also, you want to make a hole here, right? I can do this one, make hole on my hole. If I select this one, this is a circle, right? They try to put at the middle. But in this case, you have something, object here, right? So they cannot find the center in that case. They just locate somewhere over there. Okay? So let's say if I use the same, okay, okay, this one. You see, you have this one. If you want to change location, similar. See, you just sketch, go to sketch, and move the center. The point to somewhere, right? So you have this one. Okay. Okay. As I mentioned, if you have here too many locations, in that case, in the future, I will teach you how to do this one. If you have an uneven distribution of the whole point, you can use this one to actually build any feature, not just the whole, another feature as well. Okay, so this is a whole. Okay, so you have whole here, right? I don't use this one, taper, thread, and cap. This one, I don't use this one anyway, because it's not have no meaning in this case for manufacturing. เอาไปใช้ไม่ได้กับการผลิต อันนี้เป็นแค่แสดง this one. You have another one here. We call draft. We draft this one. Draft and go. Draft and go. What does it mean by draft and go? ใช้เยอะในอุตสาหกรรม we use a lot in injection mold. Okay, let's see if we have any more. Let's see, I have this one. Okay, let's see, I need it for that. Okay, this one. Okay, draft, what is mean by draft? It means that we want to have some inclined plane here. We use a lot when we do mold design. Let's take part. If you add some angle, it's easier to take out. Draft, you want to make this is 90 degrees, right? This one 90 degrees. I want to make inclined. This one we call draft command. Look at this one. See. Let's say I want to make 2-degree draft actually. Okay, I can do this one draft, this one draft, right? This one draft command. They ask you see, a draft, they like angle, right? I put 5%. Normally 1 or 2. But in computer you can put 10, 20, whatever you can do. Draft, you see, face to draft. Face to be inclined. Right? Let's say I want 4 of them. Right? Look at this one. Face to be inclined, to be draft. Select this one. Right? Select this one. Select this one. Select this one. Right? This one draft. Right? This face to be draft. Let's say 4 face to be draft. Neutral element. It means that the element that you don't want them to change. Right? Let's say you can drop this one, or you can drop this one. Right? If you drop this one, I want the bottom to be unchanged. We allow the top one to be changed. Right? In that case, neutral element will be the bottom one. See, neutral element, look at this, the bottom one, this one. Okay, now you look at this one, you see, 5 degrees. You can preview this one. You see, 5 degrees. If you want to change the direction, okay, in the direction this one. If you see now, inside, yeah, outside or inside, right? This one, look at this one. You can change direction, full direction, right? Okay. Or you can add minus also. If you have 5 minus 5 in another direction. Okay. So in this case, okay, you have this one. You see, you have some incline over there. In this case, the bottom not change, dimension still same. The top one will be changed. Okay. You can modify as well. You want, I want to change this one to the other side. Change direction. This one. You now look at this one. Now it's expand. This one will be expand, right? This one. The bottom, this one. Okay? Okay. So we have today we have this one. We have souvenir, right? I also give you example of some circular duplicate, circular duplication, rectangular duplication, right? It gives you whole as well, right? And also give you some draft command, right? Draft, souvenir, okay? So I give you a little time to try. Allow Microsoft try. Today's you have to do some of this. You see the example, the one that I just mentioned to you. Look at this one. Sometimes you can do. You see, this is a curve. You see, this is a curve. Anyway, how to solve this problem? This one use multi-section, right? This one. You have to use multiplication with guideline. I will show you anyway. I'll do this one. This one you need to use a lot of plane to create this one. You have to like a family with plane creation. Okay? Okay, plane. Okay? Kamanat.